Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song.
Does anyone else really and truly feel like they're never not cleaning? That is exactly why I named this YouTube channel Never Not Cleaning, because I feel like I am never not cleaning. I really and truly felt like today when I started cleaning that it was just going to be real quick, you know, clean up my room, straighten the living room, and clean off the kitchen counter so I could take down all my Halloween decorations. But it really felt like I cleaned literally all day long. Even though I did exactly what I intended to do, it just took way longer than I actually expected it to.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine. But I get up.
Alright, moving on. Gotta keep going. Halloween decoration fell off my door. Another Halloween decoration the baby plays with. Should I pack it away or keep it for her? I'm gonna keep it.
I will get up again.
I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch the next 20 minutes of me folding laundry. Plus, it's a lot more satisfying to watch it like this. At least I think so.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out.
This guest room closet is pretty much a disaster in progress. There isn't really anything in there because this is no one's bedroom, but I keep putting nail stuff and random things in there that I don't really have any place else for. I just stick it in that closet.
How could we move?
So I don't know if you noticed right there, I just picked up 4 bottles of nail polish, and as I was walking down the hallway, I dropped one of them on the floor. I thought it shattered, but it actually didn't. I was so relieved.
For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind.
I made an executive decision today when I was folding laundry. About half the time that I stood there, I had to take everything that was inside out and put it right side in to then fold it. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting everything right side in as I'm putting it into the washer. Now, had I made this decision a lot sooner, like when I took these clothes off, I wouldn't be standing here doing this right now. But I made the executive decision that I am now going to turn my clothes right side in when I take them off, so I don't have to stand here and do this anymore.
'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? are the ones who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, I don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you rather in the dark? I'm calling 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you rather let me live in this heart? Or maybe I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you.
This baking stone that I'm washing is from Pampered Chef. As you can see here, it's very well seasoned, so I'm gonna clean it with some soap and water here. But I've had this pan probably 28 or 29 years, and I do have to say it is by far the best baking sheet, pan, whatever, for cooking anything. On this particular day, I made salmon, green beans, and potatoes in the oven, but it is the best for evenly cooking your food. Cookies come out perfect, anything that you cook on it, because the temperature is just evenly distributed, so everything just comes out great. I'm also being super careful as I'm turning it around not to bang it on anything in the sink. I'm also really careful when I take it out of the oven and put it on top of the stove because I don't want it to crack or break, because this pan is so awesome. I've had it for so long. It's basically irreplaceable, so I'm just being really careful when I'm washing it and turning it around too.
I can't help myself.
Now, regarding these bats, I saw Joanna Thornton make a comment about how it tore the paint and drywall off of her walls and that she should not have used the dots that it came with. She is 100% correct. But because I saw her video first, I knew that they were going to be hard to get off the wall. So that's why you see whenever I go to pull it and it doesn't immediately come off the wall, you see me spin it in a little circle, and that sort of detaches it, kind of like a command strip, so that it doesn't damage the wall. But next year, I'm going to use painter's tape or something else that won't damage the paint. Thank you, Joanna, for pointing out that it tore up your wall, because I saved mine because of that. Now that I've made the rounds all around the house, I'm taking all of the Halloween decorations, putting them on the kitchen counter, and then using YouTube magic to put them all away. I had dinner at a friend's house last night, and when I came home, one of the dogs, no clue which one of them, had thrown up, I'm pretty sure it's throw up, on the floor. So I just left it because I knew I was going to have to clean the carpet anyway because of all the mud being tracked in. But I went out to the garage here and I grabbed that Love Meg spray that I don't like using for any of the surfaces in my house. It actually worked really good on getting the spot out of my carpet. I just sprayed it on there a couple times and it was good to go. Plus, bonus, it smells really good.
Not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a...
Thanks for watching this video today. It really does help my channel a lot when you watch to the end, so it's very much appreciated. If you haven't already hit the like and subscribe button, take a second to do that before you go. Also, don't forget the clocks went back an hour at 2 a.m., so if you haven't changed yours yet, go do it. And yes, I finally put batteries in all of my clocks. I hope you're having a great weekend. I will see you next week.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.